In today's episode, we're going to make some caramelized onions in the oven. Okay, I forgot to turn on the sound again. So, what I did with the onion was cut off the head and the butt, and then sliced it in half or in thirds, and then put it into a sprayed cooking pan, and then put it into the oven on high broil. And that's going to help with what we're doing is caramelizing them. So stay tuned, and I will show you what's happening to them in the oven. It's on the top, the broil's on high, so we're going to go ahead and stick them in and get them nice and caramelized. So you see they're up on top there. So I'll be back shortly and we'll show you what's happening. So let's take a look in on those onions there as the camera steams up. Try to go in a little tighter. So you're starting to see how they're starting to pop up and get a little toasty on the top. So get a little bit longer before I flip them, probably another couple minutes, and we'll be back. Alrighty, so I'm pulling them out and I'm going to flip them because they're ready to be flipped. So look how nice and soft and juicy they are. I'm going to go until the other side is as caramelized as these. Look how soft and juicy they are. So they're flipped now, and I'm going to put them back in. They smell delicious too. And as soon as they're done, we'll start working on them. Well, I apologize for not getting the onions when they came out of the oven. I thought I turned on the camera, but I guess I didn't. But here's a picture of what they look like when they're finished.